Oh man, I have to go kidnap the princess, which I don't really know where the princess is. It's not here. I'll go look for it. Yeah. Changing setting. What's... I'm an angry bird. Caw. Hey, weren't you on YouTube? Yes, I was on YouTube. Oh my goodness. I'm actually talking to someone that was on YouTube. How many views did your video get? About 13. Whoa, that's Poe. What was it called? David and Ferb go to McDonald's? Oh, what part were you in? I was the waiter. So what do you do for a living? So, Mr. Bird. It's Angry Bird. What do you do for a living? Well, I go fight pigs. Oh, I don't feel. You watching this at this gross? Okay, I'm all better now. We attack birds. Pigs that take our eggs. Do you know why they take your eggs? No, we don't. But you are getting on my nerves. So this has been Bowser Meets Angry Birds. Stay tuned for Toad Meets Angry Birds.